Hey physics. So this is the careers in physics lesson that we're going to do here. You can start on this, if you're already done with your test, you can start on this right away on Monday or Tuesday, but everyone's going to be working on this on Wednesday and Thursday. So your job is to click on this link right here, and it's going to take you to a 3-question survey that looks like this. When it asks what role you're in, you're a student. And then you're going to pick 3 of the most important factors for your future career satisfaction. Basically, like, what's going to be important to you after you graduate from high school? What do you, and from college? Like, what do you want to make sure you can do? And then mark 2 areas that you're interested in. So only 2, but you can pick any one of these. Notice that there's not just like regular sciencey physics things on here. There's like English and writing, and arts and media, and law, and finance, and all kinds of stuff like that. So you can pick whatever you want. You can also take the survey a couple times until you get results that you're interested in. Okay? So once you have clicked this button to get results, you're going to be matched with 3 different careers from this list. So this list can also be found, move myself here. This list can also be found right here, this one that I'm showing you right now. You're going to get 3 people as your results for careers that you might be interested in. But this is a whole long list of like all these different careers. So if you are not satisfied with the 3 that you got, or you just want to like keep looking around, then check these people out, okay? And this is going to help you pick which one you're going to research a little bit more. So that list that I just showed you is all of these careers. And what you'll notice is that each one of these words here is a link. So it actually takes you to that person's like profile, or like their website, or like whatever. It's different for each one, like what it takes you to exactly. But basically it gives you some more information about them and their career. So what you're going to do with that is to make a slideshow. I haven't made the slideshow template yet, but it'll be done soon. You'll be able to see it by the time you're watching this. And you are going to basically take, you're going to make, this might be different between MSA and regular. MSA for sure is going to have 2 slides, one just to say what the career is and like what they study, and then the second one is going to be like more about the person, more about where you can study this things to get into this career, and also like what are some of the things that it connects to, like maybe what are some of the big discoveries and things like that. So yeah, so if you are starting to work on this on Monday and Tuesday, I might ask you to present what you have found. If you're an MSA, everyone's going to present. That's just a requirement for MSA. But Wednesday and Thursday, everyone will be able to see your slides, but you won't be giving like a verbal presentation if you are just starting on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay? So that is this project, and let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Okay?